Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the KOVNLO. Treat yourself, you deserve it. So let's see what we got in here. I know what it is, but you guys don't. Looks very festive of a box. So this is it here, and what it is check it out. It's a heated vest. So we're gonna give this thing a try, see how it works, see how it looks. Get it out of the box here. It's a nice looking vest. Nice black colored vest here. Let's open it up and try it on. Feels good, good size. Let's see how we do this thing here. I'm probably gonna need a battery for it of some sort. Let's see what's in here. This is it. It's gonna need a USB type battery. Let's see what I got. If I got one around here somewhere. I think I do. Right over here. So this is a battery pack I have here. Let's see, it has 31%, so that should be good to go. It does USB. And there we go. So put it in here. So that's kind of cool. So you can put any size battery you want in there, depending on how long you're going to be wearing it for. So let's zip this up. So I got a medium. So I think that's what I got. Did I get a medium or did I get a large? I'll tell you in a second. What if it says it on the tag? It does not. I'll tell you here. Let's take this off and I'll tell you what size I got. I don't know. Maybe I got a large. I can't remember. Does it say on here? Let's see. I got a large. So this is going to be a little big, probably. I usually wear size medium, but let's check this out. Put this back on again. So here we go. So this is what a large looks like on me. It's kind of nice. It's got some pockets on the side. I can feel the battery in there. Good. Let's see if I push the button here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. We have the heating up top. So that'll be up here. And the side. And there. Turn the light on and off if we want to see it. So let's check this out and see what the instructions say as far as how my heating goes. So it looks like the high would be red, medium is green, and low is blue. So let's see. So right now, okay, so that's blue. So that must be high. Red must be high. Sorry, I'm colorblind, so I'm trying to figure out these colors as we go. So I can see blue, so that's why I knew it was the third one. So, oh yeah, I feel it right back here in the back. Pretty cool. And let's see what we got here. This is the laundry bag for it. So it comes in a bag. Pretty big bag. That's probably what I'll pack it in too when I go skiing. So check this out. This is really a nice heated, wow, this is getting hot. I feel it all over the place. I feel it especially in the back. This is really sweet. Where's it heating it? Does it say? I don't know. Oh, it says it on here. So we're heating. So we have it heating in the back. I guess it's that one there. Up top here. Definitely feel it hot up there. Pretty cool. I feel it heating all over. Very nice and warm. So I'm going to say this is a really nice jacket. That's nice. It's nice and cushy, super comfortable. I'll be wearing this thing out to the ski area soon. And it's got some bungees here so I can tighten this up. Really nice. I like it. Zipper works nice and easy. And I guess I can turn it all off. Oh, you can do all the buttons if you just push the middle one. It does everything all at the same time. And holding it down turns it off. So very cool. Nice jacket, super comfy, and I like it. You can see where the heating elements are here and here. There was one back here that was heating up my back, and the ones in the back and the bottom here. So very cool. Thumbs up. Put a link to this in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.